The automation processes in NitroCell, you may want to save content after it's been modified in Creo. There's lots of ways to do this and lots of reasons that you would do this. But we do have a table option here that allows us to do a model save. This works for drawings, parts, and assemblies. And basically, what it does is it just forces it to save in the current working directory, or if you happen to use a Windchill workspace, it'll do that there too. So this needs a table with an item name, and as you can see, it can also be wildcarded. So we'll just put in item name as our column title. We'll do a Control T to create a table out of this. Then we'll just give it a name that we can easily remember, like my table. So if we come in and we enter in, let's say, this will work with anything that's in session currently. So if we say basket.prt, we come back here, we put in our reference to the table that we're working with, which is my table. And we should notice here when we run this in the working directory that when this runs, there is our new version of our basket. If we run it again, we should get a part 5 and also a part 6. So that's basically how it works. You can also do multiple items at the same time. So if you say cone.prt, grill.prt, let's see what else is in there. Screen.prt. And if we run this, you'll notice that each of these models will be, of course, saved also. Another nice thing you could do is you can also use wildcards. So let me delete these table rows, and let's say that we want to export or save everything, save anything with an S in it. It's in session, and it's gone through and updated those files also. So if I scroll down here, you can see that screen, spider, and screw have all been saved. So this is a very, very easy command to use, and this table can be derived either from a CSV file, a data connection to a database using the data link tools within Excel, or derived using Power Query. So if you have other operations that you're doing and you're keeping track of what's changing or what needs to be changed, you can build up a list of what has changed and just do a selective save on those items if you want to too.